Ever wondered how the giants of the business world tackle complex problems and make critical decisions? Well, let's dive into a real-life example. Picture this. Lego, the iconic toy company, found itself facing a dilemma that threatened its revenue growth. Lego had been a market leader for decades, but a sudden shift in market trends and consumer behavior left it in an unenviable position. Lego's traditional business model, which had served them well for years, seemed to be losing its effectiveness. Their revenue was dwindling, and they were losing market share to more agile, digital-first competitors. This was a problem of significant magnitude, a problem that required critical thinking and a strategic approach to solve. So how did Lego navigate through this seemingly insurmountable problem? Stay tuned to find out. Navigating through business challenges isn't as daunting as it seems if you have the right tools at your disposal. The organization, Lego, found their North Star in 3 powerful decision-making tools: SWOT Analysis, the pros and cons list, and multi-criteria decision analysis. Let's start with SWOT Analysis. This tool allowed the organization to map out their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By doing so, they gained a comprehensive overview of their business landscape. It was like having a bird's-eye view of their own organization, a perspective that proved to be invaluable in making strategic decisions. Next, the pros and cons list. This seemingly simple tool was instrumental in weighing different options against each other. It helped the organization to identify potential benefits and drawbacks of each decision, resulting in choices that were more balanced and well thought out. Finally, the multi-criteria decision analysis, or MCDA. This tool helped the organization to prioritize their options based on multiple factors. It was like having a compass that pointed them towards the most beneficial route, taking into account all the twists and turns of the business landscape. For a deeper dive into each of these tools, you may want to revisit our previous videos. They provide detailed explanations and guide you on how to use these tools effectively. With these powerful tools, they were now ready to make informed decisions. But what happened next? Equipped with the insights from the decision-making tools, they were now ready to act. But what was their action plan? In the face of a challenging business environment, the organization meticulously crafted an action plan. The strategy was simple, yet effective. Leverage their strengths, shore up their weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. They outlined clear, SMART goals, specific tasks, and allocated resources with precision. Once the action plan was set, they initiated action. It wasn't a walk in the park, though. They encountered obstacles, but their action plan was flexible enough to adapt. They monitored the plan's progress and made adjustments when necessary. This adaptive and dynamic approach became their guiding light. Now, let's talk numbers. Once the action plan was in full swing, the organization experienced a significant upturn in their business revenue growth. Within the first 2 years, they saw a 30% increase, and by the end of the 5th year, they had almost doubled their revenue, from $3 billion in 2010 to almost $6 billion in 2015. The decision-making tools played a pivotal role in this growth. The SWOT analysis, pros and cons list, and MCDA didn't just help them make a decision, but it also helped them understand their business better. These tools provided them with a roadmap, highlighting areas of focus and potential pitfalls. The organization was no longer reacting to the market, but proactively shaping their destiny. The results were astounding, weren't they? So, how can you incorporate this in your own business? Now that we've seen the power of decision-making tools, how can you leverage them for your own business growth? The answer is simple. Begin by identifying your business problems, just like Lego did. Once you have a clear understanding of your challenges, employ the SWOT analysis to assess your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This will give you a comprehensive view of your current situation. Next, create a pros and cons list for each potential solution. This will help you weigh your options and consider all possible outcomes. Lastly, use the multi-criteria decision analysis, or MCDA. This tool will allow you to rank your options based on a set of criteria that matter most to your business, ensuring an informed decision. These tools are not just strategies, they are catalysts for your growth. They can help you iron out the creases in your business plan, leading you towards a path of growth and success. In the next video, we delve deeper into an important skill while making decisions: critical thinking. Stay tuned for practical examples on developing this skill. To get more insights for your business and personal growth, subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video for sharing knowledge. See you in the next video.